Electrical measurement, cathode ray tube, objective type question. Question 1. The time-based signal in a CRO is option B, sawtooth signal. Question number 2. In a CRO, aqueous carrier. Option number C, aqueous solution of graphite. Question number 3. In a CRO, sawtooth voltage is applied at. Option D, horizontal deflection plate. The purpose of synchronizing control in a CRO is to look the display of the signal. Question number 5. React period of the ideal sawtooth wave. Option A, 0 second. Question number 6. In a CRT, highest positive potential in a given. Option number